Hi everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to download OBS Studio on Windows in just couple of minutes. Let's get started. First open your browser and head over to OBS Studio website. Just type obsproject.com in this address bar and hit enter. After you click, your download will start automatically depending on your internet speed. It may take few seconds. When it's done, double click the installer file to start it. If promoted by Windows, click yes to allow it to make change to your device. Once it's finished, open the installer. If you get a pop-up asking for permission to make change to your device, check yes. Click next, accept the license agreement, then hit install. Installation will only take a few seconds. When it's done, make sure Start OBS Studio is checked and click Finish. And that's it. You are now ready to start recording or live stream. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell